Every wall in every new home in India needs paint. India just sold 6.14 lakh homes in 2025. Berger just posted a 27% profit jump with its best gross margin in 3 years. The market today responded with the biggest volume day this stock has seen in months. Let's break it down. Berger Paints, India's number 2 paint company, is in the decorative paints, industrial coatings, waterproofing, construction chemicals, wood and wood finishes segment. Every time someone buys a home in India, Berger benefits. The quarter 4 financial year 2026 result just dropped and the net profit went up 27% to 335 crore. The volume growth is 11.8%. The gross margin is 44.2%, a 3-year high. The managing director said it directly. Product mix improvement and softer raw material drove this. That's margin recovery, not one quarter flow. Now, when we look at the three main triggers that is driving the future growth, firstly, the housing segment. India sold 6.14 lakh homes in 2025, worth 8.46 lakh crore, a 16% jump in value as of March 2026 data. Every new home gets painted, that's direct volume demand for Berger. Second is premiumization. 78% of the total sales volume came from homes above 1 crore worth. Premium home by premium paints, texture, wood finishes, designer emulsion. That's Berger's sweet spot for margin. Thirdly, it is the waterproofing and the construction chemical segment. Berger's own management flagged these as the key to financial year 2027 growth drivers on the earnings call. And the construction chemicals market is growing at 13.4% CAGR through 2035. The main risk is the competition. Birla Opus is expanding hard and Asian Paints remain dominant. The bottom line is the improving margin, three confirmed growth drivers, and housing tailwind. Quality business in a competitive market is what the fundamentals of Berger Paints is. Now, when you look at the technical analysis, you look at the monthly chart. Berger peaked at around 750 in 2021, corrected all the way to 400. That multi-year correction is now showing signs of completion with this recovery period. If you look at the weekly chart, the stock bounced sharply from the levels of 400 and broke above the levels of 500. This week's intraday high is around 533. The weekly structure is shifting from downward trend to a recovery phase. We look at the daily chart. From March through April, Berger was grinding in the range of 400 to 480, multiple sessions, multiple weeks. That is your accumulation base. Today, on after the quarter 4 result day, the stock broke out of that entire base, and it is currently trading with a volume of around 6.37 million shares, the highest volume day visible on the chart currently. That's not retail buying, that institution stepping in. So when I say 480 and 4 to 490 is a support level, that's the zone where the stock spends week building a base. That's the retest level that market senses. And the first resistance would be around 550. That's the October November consolidation zone as seen in the particular chart. That's our first target level. And the RSI for the stocks, it's at around 58.78. That is early bullish territory, not overheated. So there is a room for momentum and further movement in the stock. The stock has moved up around 7% today, more than 7% today, as we can see, and around that region. So we will now be waiting for a pullback confirmation. I will be buying the stock. I'll be placing the GTT and entering the trade at around 490, waiting for a pullback confirmation. And I will be setting my stop loss and target price using OCO. So my stop loss would be around 460 and my target price would be around 550, the overhead supply region, and the stop loss is below the entire basing structure or the support region. So my risk reward ratio is around 1 is to 2, 30 risk and 60 reward per stock. So I have placed my GTT and OCO to set my buy entry price and stop loss and target price. Now this plan will execute itself and there are no active emotions involved. I do not have to look at the candlesticks continuously. So my main question to all of you is, will Berger reclaim the 600 prize in this cycle, or will Birla Opus eat into the story, or will there be more competition? Drop your views before below, and please do your own research. Like and follow for more such stock updates. Thank you.